Good morning. It's Wednesday the 25th of February and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Yellen told a congressional committee on Tuesday that Fed Reserve is preparing to consider interest rate hikes on a meeting-by-meeting basis. Global equity markets, of course, took confidence, which was also coupled with Home Depot and Toll Brothers beating expectations. In the finance sector, JP Morgan climbed 2.5%. The bank told investors it's about to save $1.4 billion in annual expenses. It also forecast about 10% core loan growth in 2015. The Dow rose 0.51% to 18,209.19. The S&P added 0.28% to 2115.28. And the Nasdaq pushed up 0.14% to 4968.12. Looking at the FX market, the dollar initially rose to a two-week high of 119.84 yen after Yellen's comments. Before those gains unravelled, of course, it was down about 0.1% at 118.81 yen. News on Tuesday that the Eurozone partners had approved Greece's reform plan, a requirement for the cash-strapped nation to receive a 4-month extension to its bailout, helped the euro rise off Tuesday's low of 112.88. It was about 0.1% to 113.51 last. Edged down slightly to the yen at 134.85. Brent crude yesterday edged up to $59 a barrel. This morning, helped by better than expected Chinese factory activity data, of course the Fed's flexible stance on interest rates, and the Eurozone's approval of the reforms proposed by Greece. Climbed about 16 cents to 58.82 at 5:37 this morning, and then US crude futures fell 11 cents to 49.17 a barrel. Looking at equity markets, Man is the biggest climber in the FTSE today, reported a 62% jump in adjusted pre-tax profits, $481 million in 2014. It benefited from cost saving and booked higher performance fees. Engineer Weir Group said it's expected a significant reduction in revenue on a constant currency basis, as well as lower operating margins in 2015. The stock's actually down 7% to 1736 spot 4. Data today, we have Carney speaking at 10 at the One Bank Research Agenda launch in London. We also have 3 o'clock, we have Yellen due to testify again on the semi-annual monetary policy report, along with new home sales data expected at 471,000. Then we have Draghi at 4:30 talking at the ECB annual report before the European Parliament in Brussels. Today at the Open we have the DAX at 11,180, the FTSE at 69.35, and the CAC at 48.82.